Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a sensitive but crucial topic, recognizing signs of jealousy in your partner. You see folks, jealousy can be a real relationship killer. It's like a weed in your garden, choking the life out of the love and trust you've worked so hard to build. Understanding these signs can help you address issues early and maintain a healthy relationship. So let's get real, let's get honest, and let's figure out how to deal with this green-eyed monster. Stick around as we uncover the 12 red flags you can't ignore. This is going to be an eye-opener, so make sure you watch till the end. Look, trust is the foundation of any solid relationship. It's like the concrete slab your house is built on. Without a strong foundation, the whole thing crumbles. When jealousy creeps in, it starts to crack that foundation. Your partner might question your every move, demand constant updates on your whereabouts, or accuse you of things you haven't done. This constant suspicion and doubt can be incredibly damaging, leaving you feeling suffocated and misunderstood. Rebuilding trust takes time, honest communication, and a willingness to address the root causes of the jealousy. It's not going to be easy, but if you want to save your relationship, you got to be willing to put in the work. Sometimes, seeking professional help can make a big difference in navigating these trust issues. Jealousy often manifests as a need for control. A jealous partner might try to dictate who you can see, where you can go, what you can wear, or even how you spend your time. They might monitor your phone calls, text messages, or social media activity, trying to keep tabs on your every interaction. This controlling behavior is a major red flag. It can stifle your personal growth, limit your freedom, and create a toxic dynamic in the relationship. Remember, a healthy relationship is based on mutual respect and trust, not on one person trying to control the other. You deserve to be with someone who encourages your individuality and celebrates your freedom, not someone who tries to clip your wings. Breaking free from such control is essential for your well-being and happiness. When jealousy takes root, it can lead to constant bickering and arguments. Little things that wouldn't normally bother your partner suddenly become major issues. A harmless conversation with a coworker, a like on a social media post, or a simple glance in someone else's direction can trigger a jealous outburst. These arguments are often based on misinterpretations and unfounded suspicions, making it difficult to resolve them constructively. The constant tension and negativity can wear you down, leaving you feeling exhausted and emotionally drained. Remember, a loving relationship should be a source of joy and support, not a battleground for constant conflict. Open communication and trust are key to overcoming jealousy and building a stronger bond. Dealing with a jealous partner can take a serious toll on your emotional well-being. The constant suspicion, accusations, and arguments can leave you feeling anxious, stressed, and emotionally drained. You might find yourself walking on eggshells, constantly trying to avoid triggering your partner's jealousy. This kind of emotional stress can spill over into other areas of your life, affecting your work, your friendships, and your overall health. It's important to remember that you deserve to feel safe, secure, and respected in your relationship. Don't let your partner's jealousy dictate your emotional state. Reach out for support from friends, family, or a therapist to help you navigate these challenging emotions. Take a deep breath and find your inner peace amidst the chaos. Jealousy often leads to isolation. A jealous partner might try to distance you from your support system, fearing that your friends and family will encourage you to leave the relationship. They might make negative comments about your loved ones, try to control who you can see, or even forbid you from spending time with them altogether. This isolation can be incredibly damaging, leaving you feeling alone, vulnerable, and disconnected from the people who care about you most. Remember, your friends and family are there to support you and offer a different perspective. Don't let your partner's jealousy cut you off from these vital relationships. Maintaining these connections is crucial for your well-being and happiness. When your partner is consumed by jealousy, you might find yourself constantly needing to reassure them of your love and loyalty. No matter how many times you tell them they have nothing to worry about, it never seems to be enough. This constant need for reassurance can be emotionally draining and ultimately futile. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in the bottom. No matter how much you pour in, it just keeps leaking out. Remember, you can't control someone else's emotions or magically erase their insecurities. Your partner needs to be willing to address their own issues and work on building their self-esteem. And you need to take care of your own emotional well-being too. Jealousy often leads to a blatant disregard for your privacy. A jealous partner might snoop through your phone, read your emails, go through your belongings, or even track your movements without your consent. This invasion of privacy is a major breach of trust and a sign of deep-seated insecurity. It's important to remember that you have a right to privacy in your relationship. Your partner should respect your boundaries and trust that you'll be honest with them. If they feel the need to constantly spy on you, it's a clear sign that the relationship is built on shaky ground. Jealousy is often rooted in low self-esteem. When your partner doesn't feel good about themselves, they might project their insecurities onto you. They might constantly compare themselves to others, feel threatened by your successes, or worry that you'll find someone better. This low self-esteem can create a vicious cycle of negativity in the relationship. It's important to remember that you can't fix your partner's self-esteem. They need to be willing to address their own issues and work on building their confidence from within. Jealousy can lead to a constant barrage of unwarranted accusations. Your partner might accuse you of flirting with others, cheating, or lying, even when you've given them no reason to doubt your loyalty. These accusations are often based on misinterpretations, imagined scenarios, or unfounded suspicions. Over time, these accusations can erode the trust and emotional connection in the relationship, leaving you feeling defensive, frustrated, and emotionally exhausted. Remember, you deserve to be with someone who trusts you and believes in your integrity, not someone who constantly questions your every move. Building a healthy relationship requires mutual trust and understanding. Seek to rebuild trust and find peace together. When jealousy consumes a relationship, it can stifle personal growth. The constant focus on suspicion, accusations, and reassurance can drain your energy and prevent you from pursuing your own goals and interests. You might find yourself putting your own needs on hold to appease your partner's insecurities, sacrificing your own happiness for the sake of the relationship. Remember, a healthy relationship should encourage both partners to grow and evolve as individuals. You deserve to be with someone who supports your dreams and aspirations, not someone who holds you back out of fear and insecurity. Jealousy can be a powerful tool for emotional manipulation. A jealous partner might use guilt trips, threats, or emotional outbursts to control your behavior and keep you in line. They might try to make you feel responsible for their emotions, pressuring you to change your actions to appease their insecurities. This kind of emotional manipulation can be incredibly damaging, undermining your sense of self-worth and creating a toxic power imbalance in the relationship. Remember, you deserve to be treated with respect and kindness, not subjected to emotional manipulation and control. Ultimately, jealousy can erode the happiness in your relationship. The constant suspicion, negativity, and conflict can overshadow the positive aspects of your connection, leaving you feeling dissatisfied and unfulfilled. You might find yourself reminiscing about happier times, longing for the days when your relationship was filled with joy, trust, and mutual respect. If jealousy has taken root in your relationship, it's crucial to address it head-on. Ignoring the issue will only allow it to fester and grow, potentially leading to a complete breakdown of your connection. So we've covered 12 red flags that scream jealousy. Remember folks, a little jealousy here and there is human. But when it becomes a constant pattern, a toxic cycle of negativity, you got a problem. If you see these signs in your relationship, don't sweep them under the rug. Talk to your partner, seek professional help, and remember, you deserve to be in a relationship where trust, respect, and genuine happiness thrive. Remember, a healthy relationship is based on trust, respect, and mutual growth. Take care of each other and stay tuned for more insights.